We're so excited to announce our upcoming workshop, Beyond the CPT. And we wanted to put together an educational experience for personal trainers who are looking to take their training to the next level beyond just their CPT. What the textbooks don't tell you is that being a great trainer goes so far beyond just understanding proper programming or knowing which muscles work during which exercise. We're going to show you exactly how we coach and communicate with our members in order to create buy-in, build rapport, and have more adherence to our programming. We've assembled a team of our coaches who are going to provide you with knowledge and information on how to work with people in real life. We'll cover a variety of topics ranging from mindset and nutrition to how to coach kettlebells, powerlifts, and Olympic lifts. Beyond the CPT is our way to share our exact methodologies that we use here at Achieve Fitness and to help spread more positive and effective coaching to the masses. Exercise isn't just sets and reps and the technical side of lifting. Sarah Polacco will talk to you about how to develop trust, rapport, and buy-in and increase adherence through improvements in mindset. Jason Pack will talk about why all the coaching and cueing in the world isn't enough if the individual you're working with has underlying movement inefficiencies as well as the nuts and bolts of programming. The Turkish get-up and the swing have become commonplace in personal training, but the intricacies of these two moves can be difficult to learn from a textbook or a video online. I, Lauren Pack, will teach you how to coach these two kettlebell skills step by step so you feel confident when you're introducing them to your clients. Sarah will be back to coach you through how to modify the barbell squat, barbell bench press, and barbell deadlift to your clients' specific body types rather than forcing them to fit into an arbitrary standard. Ted Andrews will teach you how to simplify the very complex movements that make up Olympic lifting and how to break them down step by step for your clients who are interested in incorporating barbell cleans and snatches. Emily Beinecke will talk about what to do when you have a situation where your client comes in and they can't do squats that day, for example, because they hurt their back picking up their kids. How do you make a change on the fly while sticking to the overarching principles of your program? Michaela Mazur will discuss how to not just give your clients a meal plan or a macronutrient breakdown, but how to actually instill good habits that will help to set them up for success long term. We're really excited to bring you this educational experience so that you can offer more to your clients who you work with every single day.